If you are a data engineer or working in a related field and you are struggling to land a high-paying job despite your efforts, paying attention. Hi, my name is Mohammed. I am a seasoned data engineer with over 15 years of experience in data warehousing, business intelligence, and more recently, big data. I am here to help you find the best path to enhance your skills in data engineering. Many people ask, why can't I secure a high-paying data engineer job? Or why can't I work on a big projects that bring in significant income? Here is the truth. When applying for jobs, many rely too much on certificates and not enough on practical experience. To truly stand out, you need to build more practical skills. So, if you are ready to enhance your skills and take your career to the next level, visit my website to explore one of the top courses in data engineering and big data. Thank you for your time and see you there.